In this video, we're going to learn how to create a repeating list. That is, a list in the website that feeds off of another list's content. An example of where we may want to show this kind of repeating list would be on a website page off of the news page, such as a services page, where we'd like here to see a news list feed from the actual news page. That would be pulling content from this list into a list on one of these pages. We start in Site Administration. Here, we navigate to the website and select the page on which we'd like to see the repeating list. We click on Edit List. This brings up the list information, so we can see it's blank, as this is the first time we've accessed the list. We're going to enter all the details, list description, a details page, which is not necessary at this time, because we're only showing new news items. A section title, again we're going to call news. Wrapper CSS class can be used to define a custom CSS class if you've entered one into the CSS document. Show max items, I'm going to limit this to 3. What that will do is ensure that only the top 3 most recent news items from the other list are fed through to this list. Under Use Existing List, I'm going to select News. We see that pre-populates this button. We're using an existing list. As this is an existing list, and I do not want to feed these items into the aggregation set under eFlex, I'm not going to select Use an Aggregation. I will select to show the RSS, will allow users to subscribe, and then I'm also going to select a title URL, and I'm going to link that to the news page. This is the title that will appear above the list that will become a hyperlink. I'm going to insert this list. We now see that the list items that were set up on the news list are feeding through to this section. This is the tax preparation page. I have one list item that's yet to be approved. I'll approve that now. We now see news items, date and title feeding through to the tax preparation page that are repeats from the main news section. If we add a list item to this main news section, it will appear on this page. And on this page, we've set it to show only the 3 most current. Repeating lists can be set up on any page in the website, in any section of the website, and they can feed from other lists that are set to use an aggregation. And this is how we set up a repeating list.